In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money online step by step. And not only that, I'm actually going to show you how to do it the fastest way possible with one of the methods that I use today. Now, this is going to be step by step, 3 steps you need to take, and I'm going to take you through and show you exactly how to do this from A to Z. So if you've wanted to learn how to make money online, build some passive income and stuff like that, you definitely want to watch this video and make sure you watch it to the end. I'm going to explain to you the exact traffic source I use so I'm able to make money fast with this particular method. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Franklin, and over the last few years, I've built multiple 7-figure online businesses, and now I teach other people how to do the same by putting out these videos and helping you step by step and showing you the best way I can to actually start your own business or scale your own business to make more money. So if you want to know how to make money online, if you want to learn how to build a passive income, and best of all, you want to do it fast and step by step, let's jump into my computer right now and I'll show you exactly how you can do this yourself. All right, guys, so what we're going to be talking about in this video is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online because essentially all you're doing is sending people to a particular offer, and when they purchase, you make money, but not only that, the person that actually created the product makes money as well. So it's a win-win for everybody. You don't have to put in work focusing on the product because it's not your product. All you have to do is put in work on the traffic, and the creator of the product worries about everything else. So it is a very great business model to make money online. Now, in this tutorial, guys, I'm going to take you to one of the best places where you can actually find affiliate marketing programs to promote, and that place is called Clickbank.com. Now, with Clickbank, it's basically a checkout platform. It's not actually an affiliate platform, but people can activate affiliate options on their programs and you can go and promote them. And as you can see, there's lots of different categories on the side here that you can go through and promote. So you can promote products in the business niche, computers, food, cooking, education, employment and jobs, health and fitness, home and garden. There's literally a product in every single niche. So this is clickbank.com. You want to go and sign up to this website. It's completely free, and then go and click on the marketplace section and you'll be taken to a website like this, and you can click on these categories, and then we can go and promote these products to make money online. Now, as you can see, guys, there's actually a lot of money that can be made. So this particular product here, you can get an average sale of $768. That's right. If you get one sale, you can make around about $786. This is the average sale throughout people who have made money in the last 30 days. This one here, $449. And then as we go down, there are plenty more that you can promote, and they have specific average sales. So this is how much you'll make on average per one sale. This one here, $157. This one here, $66. Now, what I've done is I've actually found a product that we're going to be using in this tutorial, and I'll take you through kind of what it is and the stats and stuff like that. So this product here is called CB Passive Income Elites. Now, you get an average sale of $201. So all you need is one sale, guys, to make $200. That's an incredible amount of money just to make one sale. Now, there's a few things you want to make sure that these particular products have, and one of the things that you really want to make sure that they have is what is called an affiliate page. On these affiliate pages, you're going to get everything you need to make this work and to make money. So all you do on this one is you scroll down to the bottom and you put in your email and your affiliate ID and stuff like that, and then you'll be taken to this page here. Now, on this page, there's a few things you want to look at. Number one, it's got the price and how much you get. So you're going to get 50% of $497, which is a really good commission. And as you go down, it's got all of the information. However, what we want are the tools. So these guys give away all the email templates that we need. So it's all done for you. All we do is use these, change out our links, and we can start making money. And then as we go down, they've got all the banners as well. So you can go out and put these banners on your websites, your funnels, or whatever you want to do to create commissions. Now, what we're going to be doing in this video, guys, I'm going to take you through step by step on how to actually create this. What we need to do is build a funnel, and I'm going to take you through the 3 steps. Step number 1 is we need to build a form where we can collect an email. Now, lucky for you, I have one down below that's completely free for you to use as long as you have the program that I use. Now, the best part about my email form is it converts at over 64%, which is really, really good. Usually, most people get around about 20 to 25. You're going to get this for free. It's been optimized. It's very good. Then I'm going to take you through the other 2 steps once we do step number 1. So in step number 1, guys, you are going to need a funnel builder, okay? There's plenty of free ones online that you can use, but if you want to use my funnel, I use a funnel builder builder called ClickFunnels, and I'll leave a link below. You can get a completely free trial. Once you sign up to ClickFunnels, I'm going to give you a link so you can import this template and it will look exactly like this, okay? So you can go and get that below. Now, once you import the funnel, you just click the link and it'll bring it into your ClickFunnels account automatically. You will come to a section like this. So essentially, you'll have all of your funnels here. You just click on the one that you import, which is a simple CB Profits affiliate funnel, and you'll be taken to a page like this. Now, before we even edit this funnel, we need to do a couple of things. We need to quickly move to step 2, then come back to step 1. Step 2 is we need an email marketing platform. We need to send some emails. Now, once again, I use this called GetResponse. It's completely free for you to try for 30 days. I'll leave a link below. You can use this for free. This is the cheapest option just to do it with ClickFunnels and GetResponse. Once you have GetResponse all signed up, guys, you want to go up to here and go to account settings on ClickFunnels. Okay, so let me just get my pen out here. Go to account here, and then, your little thing here, and then click account settings. Once you're in account settings, go to integrations and email, and it will take you through the steps on how to integrate GetResponse with ClickFunnels, okay? Now, once we've done that, we then want to go and actually create an email so we can send out an email once we get people to sign in, because this page is actually already edited. You don't need to do anything with this. It's all ready for you to go. So now we need to set up the emails. Then we'll come back and I'll show you how to set this up, and I'll show you how to collect emails and then send emails so you can make money with Clickbank Fast. This is the fastest way to make money with Clickbank. So what we're going to be using, guys, is the emails that they have on offer, and I'm going to show you how to get your affiliate link. So step number 2 is go and create an email. Once you have GetResponse signed up, you'll be at a page like this. Go up to menu and go to, go to list, and go to create list, okay? You want to create a list. Just put in any name. So I'm going to put YouTube test CB, okay? Create. So list, create a list. We've now created a list. We now want to go to menu, and we want to go to automation, and we want to go to automation messages, and we want to create a message. Now, you can create multiple messages. You can send one out on day 1, day 2. We'll talk more about that at the end. However, we're just going to put one message in here for now, okay? I'm going to go to create a draft, and I'm going to go back to here, guys, and I'm just going to pick the title. He closed down his online business. I would recommend changing the title to your own, but we'll just use this for this example. And I'm going to go to subject, and I'm going to put that in there. He closed down his online business. And then click what email you want to send from. Now, to add the email to GetResponse, it's very easy. I did forget that step, but that's very easy. Just go to the options and GetResponse, and it'll ask you to add an email. Just do that, and then come back and do this. Now I'm going to go to next step. And what I'm going to do now is go to templates. So we're going to just go to start from scratch, and we're going to go down to blank template. Now, once we're on this page, guys, I'm going to actually go and highlight all of this text here. Okay, and I'm going to go back into the email, and I'm going to go to here, drag in a text block, and I'm going to put the text in. Okay, very simple to do, copy and paste. And I just want to change out these links, okay? So what I'm going to do is just put my affiliate link in here. So I'm going to actually just click here to get started, because I'm not actually going to put the link. I'm going to do a hyperlink, and then we'll get rid of that. We don't want that there. We're just going to put one link. I'm going to go back to here, guys, and I'm going to click promote, and I'm going to get my affiliate link. Now, you can send to a webinar or a page. They did have a webinar. It's now gone. I'm just going to go to default and go to create hop links, and then I'm going to copy this link, guys, okay? This link right here. Copy this link. Go back to your email, and I'm just going to put where it says click below, click here to get started. I'm going to highlight that text, and I'm going to click this little anchor text here and put that in and click OK. So now when someone clicks on that, they will go to my affiliate link, and I'm going to go to next step. And now I have an email created, but now we have to set things up automatically so it all happens automatically and we don't actually have to do any work, okay, apart from the traffic, of course. So I'm going to go to manage workflows, create a new workflow, and what happens is we'll bring people in from that funnel we created into our workflow. And I'm going to go to build from scratch, and there's two things we need to do, okay? We need to click on subscribers, and we need to click on this and go to properties and go to select a specific list, and we want to select the list that we created, which was YouTube test CB. Now I want to go to add element, and I want to bring in send message. Okay, boom. And I'm going to go to draft, and I'm going to select the message that we created. He closed down his online business, apply, and now that's in there. Then I'm actually going to go and get what we call a wait block, and I'm going to put that there. So what happens is when we, I didn't select the message, apply. Okay, so when someone comes into our page where we click the email, they come into here, and then we send them the email automatically with the link to the affiliate program where we make money. Then they wait in this block for a day, and then you can send another email if you want. It's that simple, and you can just keep going. This is called email automation. Now I'm going to go to save. You would actually click save and publish. I'm just going to click save because I don't want to publish this. And then now we're going to actually go and hook this up to the funnel, and then I'm going to show you how to get traffic quickly so you can make money quickly with this. So now this is saved. There will be, so if I go save and exit, there will now be a automation set up. So right here, you can change the name, but this is it right here, okay? Now we're going to go back to ClickFunnels, and this is, now basically here you've got your get response connected to your ClickFunnels account. You've got everything set up, okay? I don't need to show you that because they've got instructions on how to do that. Now we're going to go to edit page. And don't change anything on this page, guys, because it works well. You don't need to change any of this. This is specifically designed for this particular product right here, okay? The CB passive profits. Don't change anything. That's it. What you do want to do, though, is you want to go to settings, integrations, and then go remove integration if mine's already in there, and go select integration, get response, okay? And then select integration, add to campaign, and then go here, and then go to the list that you created, which mine was YouTube test CB, which you can see right there. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to click save. So now whenever somebody goes and, like if I go to preview here, whenever somebody clicks this and they put in their email, they're going to be added to that automatic workflow, okay? And they're going to automatically start getting messages. Now, there's one more thing I also want you to do is go to settings and general. And I want you to put your affiliate link in the on submit go to. So go back to here, get your affiliate link. I've got to generate a new one. Get your affiliate link and simply put it into that section. Go back to here and get rid of that. Put it into here. So to do that, go to settings and then general settings and go back and then click save. Now watch what happens when I put in an email. Okay, I put in an email here. I should get directed to the affiliate product. And voila. All right, sorry guys, my camera memory card was full. So you will be taken to a page like this that's completely free webinar. People will sign up to the webinar, it's free, and then when they make a purchase, you will make money. But the next thing is like, how do you actually get traffic? So basically the first step you want to do is go and use ClickFunnels, and it's a funnel software. You can use any funnel software, guys, but this is just the one that where my template is. Import my template and then also sign up to Get Response to go and simply create these emails. Obviously, it will take you a little bit longer than this video, but once it's set up, you then want to go and get traffic, okay? So what we're doing is we're sending people, let me just give you a quick rundown of what we're doing. We're sending people to these pages where we collect the email, okay? So we collect the email, and then we send them to the actual affiliate offer, okay? And then they go onto our email list, where we can then promote more stuff to them or the same product or just different stuff or whatever we want to do. That's what we're doing. But the next step is how do we actually get the traffic? This is basically affiliate marketing in a nutshell. This is how we do it. This is how we make good money doing it. We create the funnel. We collect the email, we send them an email via Get Response or automatically through the automation. But now we actually need to go and get the traffic. How do we send people to this form to actually make money? Well, it's actually very simple. So that's going to take us to step number 3. We need to actually get the traffic, and what we use is something called solo ads. Now let me get into that in a second, but let me kind of show you how this works in a nutshell, and then we'll get into some numbers so you can see how much money you can actually make. So what we do is we send people from a solo ad to the opt-in form to collect the email like I explained. They then go to the offer after they give us the email, and you'll probably make a sale here or a couple of sales, but you won't make much, but you will make a sale there. Usually you'll make your money back at least with this particular offer here. But once they're on the email list, guys, we then send them a bunch of emails. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I recommend 7 max. We send a bunch of emails from the emails that we actually got from this affiliate page. They're all done for us. But we send out these emails, and we're going to be making money at this point, at this point, and at this point. Now, the beauty of this setup, we're going to actually go into some numbers in a second, but the beauty of this setup is we can actually pay for traffic because we're going to make our money back and we're going to be profitable. So we can just keep funneling money in and keep funneling our profit in to build up a big email list. And once we have that email list set up, we can actually promote other products as well. Okay, so this is kind of how it works. What you want to do is go to a website called udemy.com, spelled UDIMI. And you can actually click on these people and they will sell you what is called clicks. And you can see I've actually been doing it myself. Here's one of the links. What you're going to be doing, guys, is these guys have email lists in the Make Money Online niche, and you're going to be buying clicks from them. And all you do is you go and put in your link. So you go and put in the, so if I go back to here, and all I do is I basically get the link here, okay, copy this, go back to Udemy, and I put my link in here. And I pretty much say, hey, I want 200 video visitors, 550, 775, or whatever, right? And you can actually buy 100 minimum, which will cost me $68 with the fees. Now, the good part about this, guys, is you're getting traffic from people that are actually interested in making money online. And this is a make money online product. This is exactly what it is. So we're getting targeted traffic. Now let's look at the numbers real quick before we actually go back into Udemy. Let's think about this for a second. This guy here is going to sell us a click for 65 cents. So if we purchase 100 clicks at $65 plus a couple bucks for the fees, but let's just stay on the $65. Usually they send us a little bit more. So we'll stick to 110 clicks for $65. It's usually around about 120. Now, let's say 40% give us an email. That's 44 emails. And remember that mine does over 64%. Okay, it does at least over 60% minimum with solo ads. I've tested it. Now, out of 44, all we need is one to buy at 200. That's it. So if we get one person to purchase that one product and you get a $200 commission, 100 of that is paid for your ads and you have $100 profit. Now, do you think you can get one person to buy out of 44? Absolutely. The chances are pretty high because 44 is a lot of people to get to your offer out of 110. But not only that, guys, you're actually building up an email list as well, as you can keep promoting offers via email marketing. That's one of the most valuable things here, is you essentially want to make money when people go to that affiliate offer after putting the email in, and then you want to build an email list that's really, really valuable. You want to be building it for free. Even if I was spending $100 and making back 100, that's it. I wasn't making any profit. I wouldn't care because I'm building up an email list. So in 3-4 months time, I can send out an email and make a lot of money just from one email. That's the value of this. So go to udemy.com. Once you have the funnel set up, once you have the email done, go to udemy.com, put in the URL, and then simply buy some clicks. That's it. And there's so many people that you can actually go and see. And there's so many people that are actually selling clicks, and they've all got reviews. 2,000 good reviews, 2,000 thumbs up here, 1,000 thumbs up here, 200 thumbs up here. So we know that these guys are actually selling good traffic because people wouldn't give a good review if they weren't getting good traffic. Okay, guys, so that's where you get the traffic. You go and set up the funnel using ClickFunnels like this. You go and set up the email so you can send out some emails. You don't even have to do the emails if you don't want to, but I do recommend you do the emails because you do want to be building up an email list. Then you go and send the traffic to that opt-in page, and we use ClickFunnels. So this is called ClickFunnels, clickfunnels.com. You don't have to go through my link. However, if you want to get my free funnel, you will have to go through my link. We use clickfunnels.com for our funnels, and we use GetResponse for our email marketing software. Now, if you want to actually learn more in depth how to do this, guys, I do have a ClickFunnels training. It will take you through, I've got all the results here, that'll take you through step by step. We have a full module on the complete Clickbank training. We also give you more bonus funnels. We have Amazon affiliates. We have heaps of affiliate training here that will take you through step by step on how to start your own Clickbank business and make good money from Clickbank. All right, guys, but if you want to learn more stuff for free, I'll leave some videos up on the screen on the right. There will be a video on affiliate marketing and also a playlist that'll take you through step by step on how to make money online. But I do recommend, if you do want to get more in depth with this, is to jump into the Savage Affiliates course, where I take you through step by step on how to start your own affiliate marketing business. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.